These small wooden car making videos are going absolutely crazy on social media right now. And look at this Instagram page. They have just started and already pulled in over 2,000 followers purely by posting this one exact style of content, and some of their videos have already racked up an insane amount of views and are still climbing. Now watch what I personally created with AI in just 2 minutes. No time wasted. Here is exactly how you can create these for completely free right now. The very first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT and type in this prompt. Hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will hand you a list of 20 car names to choose from. Go through them and pick the one that feels the most visually exciting and interesting to build. Select it and keep it ready. Now head to the description below and open this detailed prompt link. Simply copy the entire prompt from start to finish and head straight over to Google Flow. Select the video option from the top, choose Omni as your video model and set all your other desired settings the way you like them. Paste the prompt directly into the field. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy your chosen car name and paste it inside the designated vehicle section within the prompt. And here is the small but important detail that makes your video look incredible. Before the car name, enter the color of the car exactly like this. Once everything is in place, hit generate, and in just a few seconds your small wooden car making video will be sitting right in front of you completely finished. Now let's watch the result together. So that's the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the newest viral AI niches the moment I drop.